Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preserving your data. Save a backup and work on a duplicate so mistakes are reversible. Next, identify the most common failure points. Look for #ref and hash value, errors, and blank headers because they break downstream formulas. Once done, switch to Formula View and reveal hidden rows and columns so you can see dependencies. This lets you trace broken links quickly and decide whether to fix formulas, restore missing ranges, or replace corrupted cells before you alter structure. You now repair the functional core. Normalize data types so sums and lookups work. Use value or text to columns to convert numbers stored as text, and make sure dates are real dates rather than strings. Then audit formulas. Wrap risky expressions with IFR for graceful handling, and step through precedents and dependents to locate broken links. Make certain named ranges and cell references match intended scope, and switch relative to absolute references where copying caused offsets. This prevents recurring errors when you extend calculations. You finish by validating and optimizing so errors don't return. Run data validation rules and spot-check critical totals to confirm accuracy. Use pivot tables or SumProduct to cross-verify. Replace volatile formulas with more stable approaches and prefer index/match over heavy VLOOKUP for reliability. If performance lags, inspect conditional formatting and external links. If things still fail, the key troubleshooting tip is to isolate the problem in a new blank workbook by copying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.